In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Battlefield 6 settings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are various different settings that you can customize before playing Battlefield 6. I'm going to show you screenshots from the beta on how to do this, but most likely it will remain the same when the game officially releases a week from the time that I'm recording this video. To access the settings, click or go over to this icon here. So before you join a session, you join a lobby, go over to the settings on this icon, and now you find all of the categories. I'm not going to go over every single category in this video. You will be able to browse through accessibility, gameplay, controller, mouse and keyboard, graphics, audio, system, and then extras. Each of them will be separated here into different subcategories, and you can browse through all of the options. So you can modify the volume of the game, you can modify the graphics, you can change brightness, how it looks, the profiles. If you are colorblind, you will be able to go to accessibility, enable color and filters from there, and so on. Under gameplay, you will have stuff related to the sensitivity, the controls like sprinting, toggling, and so on. There are way too many settings for me to go over in this video. Whenever you hover over a setting, there should be a description of that specific one at the right side of the screen. This will also be true for graphical related settings. So whenever you hover over one, they will show you screenshots of what the graphical setting is going to change inside of the game and how it is going to affect the memory being used. You can go over to controller settings or mouse and keyboard if you want to change the keybinds and every single individual button attributed to your controller or keyboard and mouse, change the sensitivity, and so on. All of the settings will be applied right away, and this will work for any platform. You can find accessibility settings if you would like to change graphics or additional settings to make the gameplay feel better. You can change visuals on the graphics, enable or disable graphical options, vertical sync, refresh rate, resolution, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.